You can create simple shapes using cookie cutters or other molds that are commercially produced as well. What you want to do is just shove a bunch of wool roving into your form and start poking away. This does take a long while, especially if you're wanting it to be pretty thick because you are using just the wool roving here, but it works very effectively. One thing that you really want to make sure to be careful of is to go very slowly. I've sped this video up here because it does take a very long time, but especially when you are poking the material that is right next to that metal cookie cutter, you need to do that very slow and, be careful not to hit the cookie cutter because your needle will break. You can also flip it over to the other side. You'll notice that most of that roving on the back side will not have been matted together. So you really do want to turn it over a couple times and make sure that the outsides look really clean, and be very careful to go around the outside of that piece. You can remove it and check and make sure that it's the right shape. Put it back in if you need to, or even just, start poking around the outsides carefully, not to get your fingers, but to make sure that everything is exactly how it needs to be. Then add any extra details to finish up.